Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even if you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So today in this video we are going to learn about the write function in Salesforce. So let's proceed and firstly understand what does we mean by this write function. This write function is one of the text function of Salesforce that is used to extract the number of characters specified from the right side of the string. And the syntax of this write function is given on your screen. Here you can see that we have a text and the number of a character. Text specify the text string from which you want to extract the substring, and the number of characters specifies the total number of characters that you want to extract from the end of the text string. So let's proceed and learn how we can use this write function in Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So here I open my Salesforce account, and by default I am in the Lightning one. I click on a gear icon and select the setup one as I want to redirect myself to main home setup page of the Lightning. Once I reached here, I click on the object manager tab given on the top of the navigation bar, and here I choose the object on which I want to apply this write function. So I decided to show you the example for the contact. So here on the quick find box I search for the contact as an object. Once I search it and click on that, it will take me to the page of the object manager for the contact. Here I click on a fields and relationship from the left side, and from the right side I will click on the new as a button as I want to create a new field type of the formula, as I want to create a formula with the function. So here I choose the formula and click on the next button. I specify the field label as the email domain because I want to extract the email domain from the email. So here I enter down the field label and the field name get automatically populated. Then I choose the text as a formula return type and click on the next button to proceed. Once I proceed, it will ask me to create a function or a formula using the write function. Here I choose the all function categories from the right, choose the text as a category, and from the list of the function here I choose the write as a function. Here it is, and click on the insert selected function. Once I do that, it will ask me to enter the text and the number of character and replace the parameters. Here I will replace according to my requirement and let you know how to do these things. Here I create my formula. I click on a check syntax to let you know it is working fine or not. There is a no syntax error. Basically here I am using the right function that is used to extract the specified number of character from the right side of the string. The email is the field containing the contact email address whose domain value want to extract. Here I use the length function used to calculate the length of an email address, and the find function is used to search for the position of the @ symbol in the email address and return the result of the number of characters. Then I finally subtracts the result of the find function from the length function to get the number of the characters from the domain of the email address, and here I am using the right function also for doing search from the right side. And next I click on the next button to proceed to the next step, and here we need to choose the profile to which we want to grant the added access of that particular field. Once you grant these access, you need to click on the next button and choose the page layout on which you want to include that field. And once you do all such things, you need to click on a save button. Once you successfully save it, you can check it how it is working on by clicking on the app launcher, and here you have to choose the object on which you are working on. Here I am working for the contact one. I am search for the contact. Here I get it down and click on that. You can either create a new contact or choose the random one for editing and do such things. Here I am going to choose already created one. Here I click on that and it will take me to the detail section page of that particular contact. Here I click on that. Here you can see that here we have entered email ID of this particular contact. Here it is, and this thing that I have calculated using the right function is a uog.com. that is the email domain that we are using. So from here email address. So with this we have learned how to use the right function in Salesforce Lightning. Now let's see how we can use this function in Salesforce Classic with the help of another example. So firstly we need to shift ourselves to the Classic. I click on my profile and click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic to redirect myself to the Salesforce Classic. And once I reached here, I click on a setup option, and once I move myself to the Salesforce Classic setup, I move down, and on the left side we have a build section. Under this we have a customize as a drop down. I expand these things, and from here we need to choose the object on which we want to apply this function. This time I am going to show you the example for the orders. I expand this one and click on the fields as an option. Once I do that, it will take me to the page. Here I scroll down to the order custom field and relationship and click on a new button as I want to create the new field of the formula type. So I choose the field type as a formula and click on a next button, and here we need to enter the field label firstly for the user to know what thing we are doing on. So here I am entering the field label as a current order status, and the field name is get automatically populated based upon that I have entered, and I choose the return type as a text and click on the next button. On the next step we have to create up the formula using this right function. So let's just give me a 1 second, so I will enter up my formula here. Once I do that, I click on a check syntax button, and I will get a message of there is no syntax error. Now I will explain what I am doing here. Here I am using the right function to extract the right most of a 2 character from the text that I have stored in the order code, and I click on the next button to proceed to the next step where we have to choose the profile to which you want to grant the added access of this particular field by a field level security, and the field will be hidden from all the profile if you don't want to add it on the field level security. After that you need to click on the next button where you choose the page layout that should include this field, and the field will be added as the last field in the first 2 column section of this page layout. And after doing such thing you need to click on a save, and once I save it, it successfully create a formula with the right function. To let us know how it is working on, I open the order as a object and open one of the random order to do such things. So here we have to firstly enter the order code. So just wait a second, here I am adding the things. So here I enters the order code as DORD 1 2 3 4 5 and PS. Okay, and here I click on a save button, and once I click on a save, it will save the thing, and here it shows the order status as a PS. Okay, from which we knows the thing it is a pending shipment from the PS. We have some of the codes regarding that. So with this we have learned how we can use the right function in Salesforce Classic as well as a Lightning user interface. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.